Welcome to Anu Online Tutorials. If you like our videos, please share to your friends and don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon for the new notifications of our videos. Test first starch. Here, to test the starch, what you will do, let us learn. See, first you need to prepare for testing starch. For writing any experiment, remember, you need to write aim, material required. First you need to write this and you need to go to your lab to do it. Materials required, procedure, result or observation. This is the procedure. Before you want to do any test, before you are supposed to write this, and last you need to write your observation or result in a table form or a sentence form. So first let us write the experiment what you want to do first. Then we will get a clarity and what are the materials required we will get, and we will go to the experiment. Then do. See, first aim. First one is aim. What is the aim? To test starch in food items. Starch in food items. And second is materials required. What all you need? First, iodine solution. Any food item. I'll take here potato. You can take any food item. Potato. You need to cut the potato and keep it. And pour one drop. And one plate, you can say. Next, procedure. First, prepare, dilute iodine solution. Prepare dilute iodine solution. Next, take a dropper, take a potato and cut it. Or rice you can take, or anything, rice you can take, or curd you can take, or chips you can take, anything you can take to check. Anything, whatever you want you can take. And third, and drop 3 to 5 drops of iodine solution. Dilute iodine solution, don't forget, dilute iodine solution on potato. Then what happens? That's all. So, what is our observation? Our observation. The place where you have dropped this iodine solution, the potato turns into dark blue or black. Result. Hence we can say the starch is present. We can say starch is present. Present. So this is our, so first what you need to take to prepare dilute iodine solution. What do you mean by dilute? Dilute is something, if you add water in that, it becomes diluted. Something like curd is there. To make it is a dilute, you can add water to it. It becomes diluted. Like iodine solution will be there. Thick concentrated iodine solution will be there. If you add water to it, 2 to 3 drops of water, then it becomes dilute iodine solution. Dilution. To the lesser the concentration, the original one will have more concentration, it will have less concentration. So to prepare dilute iodine solution, what you need to take? You need to take, you need to add iodine solution, like water, isn't it? Dilute iodine solution. I'll write it there. Wait. Dilute iodine solution. Take iodine solution and add water to this. 2 to 3 drops of water you add. 2 to 3 drops of water you add. It becomes dilute. It becomes what? Dilute. Dilution is very, very important in all the chemistry experiments. Dilute. Unit concentration is something different from dilute. If you add water to it, becomes dilute. Okay. If tablet is there, if you add water to the tablet, it becomes diluted, isn't it? Dilute. If you add water to something, it becomes dilute. Next, aim. What? To test starch in food items. Iodine solution, dilute iodine solution you can take, and potato and a dropper and a plate. Procedure: prepare iodine solution first. Take a potato and put that potato, and on that you add 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution. 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution. If it turns into dark blue or black, it shows that it has starch in that. Otherwise there will be no starch. If something food item you have added, it does not turn into black or a blue, it means that it has no starch. No test, no confusion, isn't it? It has no starch. So I'll read out experiment for you in the textbook once. So preparation of dilute iodine solution. Take a test tube or a cup, add 2 drops of iodine solution to it, then dilute it with water till it becomes yellow or brown in color. Yellow or light, it becomes light yellow or brown in color. Till then you add water to it. So the yellow or brown in color shows you that it has become diluted. Next, take a sample of food item, whatever you want to test, and add few drops of it. Rice. Take in a bowl, you take rice, add 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution. If it becomes blue or a dark blue or a black, it shows that it has starch in that. If the food item what you have taken, if it does not turn into blue or a black, it means that you have no starch in that food item. So thank you.